What's up guys, Tay here from TayWilkins.com, and I've got something that's pretty unique for you today. Today I'm going to show you how you can earn instant PayPal cash by unlocking your phone. Now, that sounds crazy, right? Well, let me show you how this works and what you need to get started. But before we get started guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post new content. Also, do me a favor and smash that like button if you found the content of today's video useful. Alright, let's stop wasting time and jump straight into it. Okay, so getting into it. Are you guys familiar with Amazon Fire tablets? For those of you who are not, something Amazon does with their tablets is that if you buy a tablet but don't have an Amazon Prime membership, when you go to turn on and unlock your tablet, instead of seeing your typical lock screen image, you see ads instead. The method I'm going to talk about today is similar to that, but the difference is you'll actually be able to earn cash for unlocking your phone. Think about this for a second. How many times a day do you pick up and unlock your phone? Studies in America show that people pick up and check their phone on average 52 times a day. That's over 1,500 a month and well over 18,000 times a year. That's a lot of phone checking. Now, imagine getting paid every time you check your phone. Sounds cool, right? How do you get in on this? Well, today I got not one, but 3 apps that will allow you to do this very thing. So jumping right into it, the first app on the list is SlideJoy. The way you earn with SlideJoy is by swiping on your lock screen. When you swipe left, the app will show you personalized ads. And when you swipe up, you will see the latest news from across the web. Each time you swipe, you earn points. These points can then be converted into Visa cards or other gift cards. Originally, they did offer PayPal, but a change swapped out PayPal for Visa cards. Now, this may sound like a bad thing, but because they're using Visa gift cards, I think it'll be a lot easier for people across the seas to actually use this for those who can't use PayPal. I also mentioned this in another video, but if for some reason you can't use PayPal or you can't use the Visa cards, you can always get an Amazon gift card or an Xbox card or a PlayStation card. And the site that I'm going to show you on the screen, you can go ahead and sell those gift cards for cash. So it's not a total loss. But moving on, the second app on the list is Frontier. Working the same way as SlideJoy, when you turn on the screen, you'll get ads and news content on your lock screen. Swiping will earn you points, which can then be converted into gift cards. Or you can, with this app, convert into PayPal cash. And last up on this list is Smore. Similar to the other 2 apps, you can earn cash by adding ads to your lock screen. Now, Smore changes it up a little bit by providing video ads to your lock screen, which I believe is more beneficial watching the videos. Now, same as the other 2, you earn points, which can then be converted into gift cards and PayPal cash. Now, there is one pretty big downside to Smore that really isn't present with the other 2 apps. If you go a long time without using Smore, any points that you earn are reset to 0, meaning you'll have to be consistently interacting with this app, and you'll have to cash out often in order to make the most out of it. So alright guys, that's how you can earn instant PayPal cash just by unlocking your phone. It's a pretty creative way to make money online. It's something we're doing all the time without even realizing it. So, why not capitalize on it and make what is usually a bad habit a beneficial one? Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and found it useful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this out with anybody who you think will find this video useful. Links for everything talked about today will be down in the description box below. Also, you'll find a link to my #1 recommended way to make money online. This is what I use to take care of me and my family, so be sure to check it out as well. Alright, that's all I got. See you in the next video. Take care.